Hello, good evening everyone and welcome to one more important session. And in this session, we will be going to discuss about the one more important question related to 5 marks or else they may ask for the 3 marks, but it is very important. Find the ratio in which the point 8 by 5 comma y divides the line segment joining the point 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Also find the value of y. Important question. Now they are saying that consider a line segment AB. Now we are considering line segment what? AB. A point they have given you 1 comma 2 and B point is 2 comma 3. Now this line segment is divided by the point. Find the ratio of the line segment in which the point, this line segment is divided by the point what? 8 by 5 comma y divides the line segment joining the points. Also find the value of y. We need to find the value of y as well as the ratio, that is your m1 and m2. M1 and m2. Whenever these types of problems they are given you, now equate x axis with x and y axis with y. That is your section formula. But here y I don't know. Here y I don't know. Then equate x axis with x. Then you will get the first ratio. After finding the ratio, then you can usually find the value of y. Let us solve the question. Let us substitute p of x comma y. That is your section formula. What is your section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. p of x comma y ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 8 by 5 comma ಮತ್ತು y ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ರೆ x2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ 2, m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, y2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3, m2 as it is, y1 is 2, again m1 plus m2. We don't know the value of y. If we don't know the value of y, then equate x axis with x. What is your x axis? 8 by 5 equal to, here it will be 2m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Cross multiply, 8m1 plus 8m2 equal to 10m1 plus 5m2. Now I can write 8m1 10m1 minus 8m1 equal to, sorry, 8m2 minus 5m2. 10 minus 8 is 2m1 equal to 3m2. Let us take the ratio. m1 by m2 is equals to what? 3 by 2. m1 by m2 we got 3 by 2. If m1 by m2 is 3 by 2, m1 is 3 and m2 is 2. Let us find the value of y. How will you find the value of y? Just substitute in the second one, y axis with y, we can easily find. Y equal to, what is your m1 value? m1 value is 3, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 2 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Y equal to 13 by 5. Therefore, the value of y is 13 by 5 and the ratio is 3 by 2. Thank you. And in this session, we will going to discuss about the ratio, that is your section formula only. But here I came with the one more different concept. Now the concept is find the ratio in which the y-axis is dividing the line segment. Now y-axis is dividing the line segment. Again we need to find the ratio. For example, AB line segment they have given you. AB line segment ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Line segment AB ಗೆ ಏನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ is divided in which the y-axis is dividing. If y-axis is dividing the line segment, then what about your x point? X point will be what? 0. X point will be 0. For example, if they have given you find the ratio with the lines, find the ratio in which the x divides the line segment. If x divides the line segment, then what about your y point? Y will be 0 that time. Now here y-axis is dividing the line segment, then I will take x point as 0. A value they have given you. What is your A value? A is 5 comma minus 6, B is minus 1 comma minus 4. Also we need to find the ratio. A very important question for 5 marks. Whenever a line segment is divides the line segment, if that is y-axis dividing the line segment, the next point will be 0. To find the ratio, you need to compulsory equate with the point whichever is 0. Here which point is 0? X-axis is 0, then equate the point with x-axis, then easily we will get the value of m1 and m2. Let us find it. Without writing the formula, let us solve. P of x comma y, that is 0 comma y, and m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 is minus 4, y1 is 6 divided by m1 plus m2. Again, don't equate with the y term with y, you will not get the ratio. To get the ratio, equate with x. Since x is 0, equal to, it will become minus m1 plus 5m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now if you send it here, it will become 0. Therefore 0 equal to minus m1 plus 5m2. Again, m1 equal to 5m2. Since I need the ratio, m1 by m2 is equals to 5 by 1. Then easily I got the ratio of m1 by m2. That is m1 is 5, m2 is what? 1. If m1 is 5 and m2 is 1, let us find the value of y. To find the value of y, let us substitute y equal to, what is m1? 5 into minus 4, 1 into minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. Y equal to 5 4s are 20, 6 1s are 6 divided by 6 minus 26 by 6. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are, therefore minus 13 by 3. Therefore our points are 0 comma minus 13 by 3. Hence we got the point. Thank you.